Today's stop loss cluster video for the 22nd of March 2021 for the QuasiDB service. Just a quick reminder for the auto chartist, if you haven't got it already, it is really amazing. Here's the dollar Swiss, for example. So this is a bearish development that's happening on the H4, and it's projecting price to break to 91.43. And so then we can have a bounce here. I'm not entirely sure how this grey box is calculated, but it seems to be quite accurate. So we'll likely see some support being tested there. So yeah, just a quick reminder, just for the auto chartist, very, very cool. There's the euro pound, and this could be indicating some pound weakness. Don't forget the pound USD is actually a sell on the sentiment now. So we've got a bullish wedge, I believe, once it loads the data. What are we? Oh no, it's a fallen wedge. So yeah, I mean that's your resistance. We could fall back below and we can be within that wedge again, but this is actually quite bullish. But it depends what we do with this candle. Yeah, so just a quick one. Just remember the auto chartist, it's free. Definitely get it. It's really amazing. AJ on above, 84.32, 83.68, and we're waiting on the signal, but we're a buy on a sentiment. As them guys shorten it, so that could be quite bullish. So I think we might get the SLC above. AU, signal centered weight, the sentiment centered buy. Likewise, looks like they're shorting it. Monthly pivot is of interest for you if you're trading this one at 77.59. The SLC above 77.71, and this is absolutely huge stop loss cluster at 76.94.95 area. EA, we're going to be testing this support. SLC above 15432, 15367. Signal saying to sell and the sentiment saying to sell. So we could potentially break this. Keep an eye on the hourly wick, not this one. Actually, it looks like it's tested it exactly. Yeah, keep an eye on the prior hour wick. If we get below that, that could be a good short opportunity. EU, wait, buy. SLC above is 119.35 and 118.59. And this is going to be affected by risk on flows. There's your MS1. Monthly support one, yeah, MS1. There's your monthly pivot, so that's your bias. We're still bearish below, so that's quite a big move there. So assuming that we're below pivot and we're below support, then we could technically be quite bearish. Signals saying to wait, like I say, they're shorting it, so that dynamically could be bullish. So monthly support one is 119.35, and if we get above that, then we can have a bounce. So GU, this flipped over to sell, like I said at the beginning. SLC above 139.69, one below 137.98, and it will depend quite a lot on the euro pound, but I think we're probably gonna, I don't know if we're gonna sustain above this wedge, I'm not sure. So this H4 candle is going to be quite important for the euro pound. NU, there's your monthly pivot. SLC above 71.91, 70.89. We are a buy. Signal saying to wait. Here again, 129.95, 128.83. We are a buy. Have been for ages, and they're shorting it here. So that's bullish dynamically. Signal saying to wait. So moving average is a bit weak on the small time frames. Pound yen. So this is going to be an important hour. Quite a bearish candle here the hour before. SLC above 151.74, 150.16. There's going to be a vote this week whether or not we're going to extend the lockdown until October. But I think the MPs are going to see some sense, and they're going to listen to their voters and their constituents, and they're going to vote against it. And so we're going to go with the June escape from prison scenario. Boris Johnson wants to extend it to October. I think if they have any sense at all, we'll not go to October, but it'll be to June, and that could be pound risk on as well for the pound. So that vote is this week. I'm not sure on the day, so I'll get back to you on that. But it's worth noting there is an important vote this week. Buy, wait, moving average trend's quite bearish, apart from the 1 minute. Dollar yen. Lots of weak candles. There's not much volume in any of these candles of late, apart from this one and then that one. Loads of very weak volume candles. One above, 109.39. One below, 108.50. We're a buy, signal to wait. The dollar CAD. Obviously, we're taking the SLC out. 125.25. 124.53. We're a sell here. And the signal to buy is there's a mismatch. And also, apologies if you can hear the birds as well. My door is open, so hopefully it's not too distracting. Dollar Swiss, which you saw at the very beginning, is quite bearish technically. That's what this line is actually. Oh, it's a MR1, so 92.50. So we have come quite a way above monthly pivot, so could be a nice short here. We are a sell, signal saying to wait, but the technicals are looking quite bearish. So also keep an eye on your Swiss bubble as well, because that's quite strong. It's going to be an important test there. Be nice if it fell. Gold, and that'll wrap up. SOC above 1757 and 1716. We were a sell and we were a buy on the technical. So there's a mismatch. So there's a lot of mismatch, lots of chop. If you're trading the pound, don't forget the vote as well. And if you message me and I don't reply, I will get back to you. I'm just very, very busy at the moment. So hopefully those people who message me know that I'm busy and you've watched this video and you know why I didn't get back to you straight away. So yeah, just wrap up now. I hope you have a good day, and don't forget Pal's speaking today as well. So when I get more information, I'll let you know. And yeah, I'll speak to you tomorrow.